Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to jump around the list in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to jump around the list in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to jump around the list in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, let's click on cell in the middle of the list and hold Control and go up, right, left, down, left, up. All this by holding Control. Now can hold Control to saying right, to click left, to click right, to click up. Hold Control and to click right to go to the end of the sheet, not just the table. One click to go to the edge of the table. For Windows, hold press Control and arrows. For Mac, hold CMD and arrows. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to jump around the list in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.